A little respect. This has taken us back to the 80s here, okay? Now, the vast majority of it is okay, but when you get to the sol, it dips quite down low, okay? So we want sol, and then it goes back up again. So if you can't manage it, sol, you could just do 2 notes. I hear you calling instead of calling. So you can do those funky bits if you want to, or you could just keep it simple. So you could go, so I hear you calling. Makes it a bit easier to sing. Oh, baby, please. Baby, please. That's the gap between those 2 notes. Oh, baby, please. And this is where we now need to sit up really tall, pull our magic ribbons, because we're going to go right over the top of these notes and we're going to sing, give a little respect, give a little respect. And then we're going to go even higher to me. So that whole section, in a really simple way, goes, so I hear you calling, oh baby, please give a little respect to me. And we want that note to hold on at the top. And it's very important that we don't sing it too loud. So you could even try going, ooh, for now, just to keep it really, really light. But I really want you to try up on those top notes. Also, when it comes to breathing, make sure that your shoulders are down and that we're not lifting them up to our ears or anything like that. So pop your hands by your sides and using your middle finger, just put that on the side of your leg, okay? Just gently touch the side of your leg with that middle finger and keep it there so that your arms don't move or flap around, okay? And that will help remind you to keep those shoulders down. So when we're singing sol, we don't want sol, we don't want to do that, okay? So we just want to keep the body really relaxed. Sol, I hear you calling. Then take a breath. Oh, baby, please. Then you can take another breath. Give a little respect to me. And that one is going to be in one breath. Give a little respect to me. So that's the hardest thing in this one. So if the low notes are too low, then we can simplify it out, okay? It might be that you just go to 2 notes or you stay on the same note. But if you're feeling like a real diva and you want to do your best pop star impressions and you want to do the sol and you want to put those extra notes into the melody, then you can. Otherwise, keep it nice and simple. The main thing though is having lots and lots of fun with this one. And if you feel like breaking up some dance moves, then of course you can. Maybe your teachers might be the best people to ask on the 80s dance moves. Who knows? Okay, have a little look, have a listen, and have lots and lots of fun with it. And really go for those top notes, but make sure you're not shouting.